Tools required. Disconnect the detergent bag and run a shipping cycle to drain the dosing system. Turn off the unit and disconnect the power cord. Remove the right panel. Disconnect the pump wires. Cut the cable ties holding the inlet and outlet tubes. Disconnect the tubes and tuck the tubes out of the way. Remove the 2 screws holding the pump bracket. And remove the pump and bracket together. Separate the pump from the bracket. Reattach bellows pump to the bracket. Fasten bracket to chassis using the 2 screws. Reattach the tubing and fasten with cable ties. Connect wires 53-54 to the microswitch. Black to black and white to white. Then wires 33-34 to white and wire 22 to yellow. Plug the unit in and power it on. Reconnect the tube to the detergent bag. From the home screen, press the Salt Detergent icon. Press the red X to prime the detergent pump. You should hear the pump run and see the detergent flow through the tubing to the reservoir. And a green check mark should replace the red X. Then go to the Technician menu and select Diagnostic Tools and scroll to Component Test. Use the arrow to scroll to Dosing System. Now press On, and the bellows pump will start pulling detergent from the reservoir. Open the door and check to see if detergent is running into the chamber. Press Off. Note, when you press Off, you will activate the detergent pump temporarily as it sends chemical detergent from the bag to the dosing reservoir. This is normal. With the repair complete, reinstall the side panel.